This MONVICT glue gun is a hot gluing beast with dual temperature settings at 60 watts and 100 watts, as well as a convenient silicone guard around the nozzle which helps prevent burns and makes cleaning a lot easier. As an added bonus, these nozzles that it comes with are replaceable, so you can pick up some different kinds of nozzles and screw those in for a different sort of gluing experience. Finally, it has both a standard stand and an upright stand, and the cool thing about the upright stand is that it keeps the hot glue gun so close to level that it almost completely eliminates dripping. As a thoughtful bonus, this upright stand can also be used to help you interchange those nozzles. I really scratched up my nozzle trying to take it off with regular pliers before I realized this. All of that makes this MONVICT Hot Glue Gun almost perfect, but at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you my longtime favorite glue gun that solves a lot of the problems I'm going to discuss with this glue gun at the sacrifice of losing a lot of the cool features. But if we're just meeting, my name is Eli Tennant, and this is Maker Brain, where I love to help you access and implement your creativity through hands-on DIY projects, as well as tool reviews just like this one, so that you're able to use the best tools and level up your creative ability. Number one is wings. Wings are small flanges off the side of your glue gun that cause it to be pointing down even when you set it on its side. And that's important because if your glue gun tips up backwards, then the hot melted glue inside the glue gun can slowly trickle down backwards into the glue stick and then cool because it's no longer in the hot area of the glue gun, and then that'll jam up your glue gun. I don't know if that's really a problem here. Maybe they have some technology inside the glue gun, but I would prefer to see wings on this glue gun. Number two, I'd love to see a good normal base on this glue gun. Now the stand that flips out is pretty wide, which is great, but once you take off that upright stand from the bottom of the glue gun, then it's very tippy and pretty hard to set actually on the stand. And the only reason I wouldn't be using the upright stand all the time is that sometimes it gets in the way while you're trying to glue things, which can be pretty annoying. And number three, I'll admit I'm getting a little nitpicky here. It would be nice to have a larger trigger on the glue gun. It's an above average size glue gun, but the trigger feels a little bit small for this size, and I personally really enjoy having a larger trigger on my glue gun. Don't take this review the wrong way. This glue gun is still pretty comfortable and nice to use. The handle has a slight bit of rubberized material right here. It's only slightly more grippy than the standard plastic. The trigger has no rubber, and there is a silicone intake inside of here, which is good to see because hot glue does not stick to silicone very well. So if we end up with any jams on the inside, that silicone is going to help us unjam it more easily. From my personal observations, this glue gun seems to be able to get hotter than some of my other hobby glue guns, which is nice because it gives you more working time with the hot glue, especially on the 100 watt setting. As an added bonus, this glue gun also comes with some extra glue sticks so that you can keep crafting day after day, as well as 3 different sizes of silicone fingers that you can use to help prevent yourself from burning your fingers, or perhaps you want to be able to manipulate the hot glue while it's still hot. These could really come in handy. And although the nozzles are interchangeable, remember it only comes with this one nozzle, not any extras. So you would have to buy those separately if you wanted to change that. But if none of those bad things I mentioned are deal breakers for you, then there's a link right at the top of the description where you can pick up this hot glue gun for right around $16 at the time of recording this video. But if those are deal breakers for you, Gorilla Glue makes a glue gun that solves all of those problems, and you can click or tap on the screen right here to watch my review of that. However, do know that glue gun does not have some of the cooler features that this MONVICT glue gun has. And if you want a quick reminder of those cool features, just skip back to the beginning of the video where I go over all of them. As always, my name's Eli Tennant, this is Maker Brain, and I pray that God would bless you and keep you today. I'll see you in the next video.